Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you I got the whole club kit from Spellbinders this past release, June's release. I want it all bundle. I don't know what it's called. But I'm gonna share with you what I got in it, and we'll go from there. So it did come with these two embossing folders, and one does the little pineapples repeated pattern, and the other is like these tiki pattern. And so I made a whole bunch of backgrounds with both of the embossing folders on different size of papers and like different ways, because if I make it vertical or horizontal. So that's what I did. So there's a whole bunch of different colors for the pineapples, and then a whole bunch of different colors for the tiki background. So that gives me a lot to play with once I get playing. I also got the stencil of the month was the Plumeria spray. So I guess, okay, these are 3D embossing folder of the month and just the regular embossing folder of the month. And then this one is the stencil of the month, and and here are my 3 backgrounds that I made. 1, 2, 3. They all came out a little different. I used the same colors, it's just my hand was either lighter or heavier when I was blending out these colors. So I have those backgrounds to play with. The only thing I haven't played with is the press and foil of the month plate and die. And I do have a, what is it called? Glimmer. I do have the machine to do this hot foil thing. So maybe by the time I've shared all the different projects, I will have opened my glimmer machine and played with it and made some stuff with it as well. Let's see what else. Okay, so where is that one? I have a pile of stuff over here off to the side. Okay, so this was another one. We did get these sentiments, and some of them came with the dies to cut them out, and then we also got the pull, the sand, and then the shapes to cut out some of these sentiments. So I did cut a whole bunch of sentiments and cut them out on different things, so that I can play with them. And this was the stamp and die set of the month, maybe. Let me look. Stamp, clear stamp and die of the month. They have a lot of different monthly clubs. So that means they have a lot of different ranges of prices. So there should be a club, or there probably is a club that would fit possibly your financial situation. Okay, so here is some of the sentiments, the sign I cut. Here's the sand for the bottom to stick it in, and then you can see all the different sentiments that I have. I've cut out at least one of everything. So I'm gonna have that to be able to play with. And then this was another set, the Tiki and the Hula Girl. So there's all the dies for that. I don't think I put her together yet. I just cut a bunch, not a bunch. I think I made 3 of each. 3 of the Tikis and 3 of her. So once I get those assembled, I'll share them with you, and then I'll probably also share the project that they go on. So I have that. Here's another set that it came with. This is, I'm not sure what die of the month club this is, but it is another monthly club. And so, it's a stitch one, because you can stitch these. They have holes in them, see, but I'm not a stitcher, so we ain't stitching. But yeah, so I cut out a bunch of leaves and then a bunch of the flowers. I've assembled most of the flowers together. I just left only a few that I still have to put together. But how cute are these flowers? And so I made a bunch of those so I can play with those as I work on these projects. And then the drums, I put a few of those together, but I just used a marker for the string because, you know, this is it together. I mean, assembled all. But I just used the marker for the strings because, like I said, I'm not a stitcher. And then the ukulele, I put that one together. So I've cut out a few more of those. There we go. I cut out a few more of those to be able to make some of those and play with those. This die is a whole bunch of the tropical flowers and ferns, and it comes with that sentiment Aloha. So I did cut out, I believe, I got 3 of the Alohas, but I did cut out a whole bunch of the flowers. And the hibiscus, there's still some for me to still assemble. And then some of these sprays. And then I have even more, the ferns and stuff. These hibiscus with the side profile. So I still have some of these to put together. And then the different ferns I cut out and leaves. So all of that. So fun stuff, right? Stay tuned. All my projects coming up with this stuff. And then the penguin, so cute, right? And then this honu and this background die. So I'm not sure what clubs these are from, but I did assemble one already. Oh, I just need to attach that. But here's the background. I did put some shaker mix in it. You can see I like this clear shaker mix. And I'm not really sure where I got it from, but it's perfect for this. Perfect for this. I am going to add some of these jemmies around the outside when I complete it. So I did cut a few of those so I can do that. And here is the cute little penguin. How cute is he? So I got a few of the penguins, and then how cute is the honu? The turtle, sorry. Honu. He's a honu in Hawaiian. But he's cute, huh? So I have a few of those. Yeah. He's gonna be popped off a little. And then I'm not sure what sentiment, but I have a few mahalo sentiments cut out and ready to assemble. So How fun! This was such a fun month. I bought the whole month. I'm not usually a subscriber to this club. I've been very picky at the stuff I buy nowadays because I have so much stuff. I need to use all my stuff. And you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I know you do. So anyway. Well, I'm off to play, so stay tuned in the coming days and weeks for some projects from the Spellbinders June collection. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. But I hope you're having a crafty day, and for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!